Wait. Na-try mo na ba ang Ube Express? Hindi yung sahog sa halo-halo ha. Ube as in ultimate bus experience. Ito yung premium airport bus service na pwede mong sakyan from NAIA to Metro Manila, Cavite, and Laguna. And vice versa. I-discuss na natin yan in this video. Hey Dirty Peter, I'm Vince, and welcome to the TPT channel. Ang NAIA ay ang busiest airport in the Philippines. At kapag na-champion ka pa ng traffic sa Metro Manila, minsan nga mas mahaba pa yung papuntang NAIA kaysa sa flight mo. For convenience, marami sa ating kumukuha na lang ng taxi or nagbubook sa mga ride-hailing apps tulad ng Grab papunta ng airport. Pero aminin, may kamahalan din yung option na to. Enter Ube Express, a premium P2P bus service that offers direct and relatively affordable rides to and from NAIA. Ang alam ng karamihan, within Metro Manila lang to. Pero meron din siyang pick-up and drop-off in places like Santa Rosa in Laguna and Imus, Cavite. Malamang, marami kayong tanong about this service. Pero bago natin sagutin lahat ng yan, if bago ka dito, we consistently publish informative travel videos, so please subscribe to this channel, ring the bell beside it, and select all para lagi kang updated. Kung sa Facebook ka naman nanonood, join our 1 million strong community by liking and following this page too. Okay, balik tayo sa Ube Express. Bilang budget travelers, alam kong concerned tayo sa fare and payment methods. So, yun muna yung i-discuss natin. Number 1, tickets and payment methods. Depende sa ruta mo yung fare na babayaran mo. Ticket prices range from 150 pesos to 300 pesos per head. And ang good news, may discounts for senior citizens, PWDs, and students. On the other hand, kung sasakay ka lang sa NAIA Loop that travels from NAIA Terminal 1 to Terminal 3, yung fare is 50 pesos per head lang. As for the available routes to and from NAIA, ito yung nakaset na fares. Pwede kang magbayad using cash or a beep card on-site. And pwede ka rin bumili ng ticket online through the Ube Express official website. Payable via GCash or PayPal. If you are taking the Cubao, Alabang, or Santa Rosa route, you can also get your ticket through Klook. Number 2, available routes. Napahapyawan na natin to, but here's a more detailed look into the 7 available routes ng Ube Express. 5 sa Metro Manila, isa sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, and yung isa sa Imus, Cavite. Dati, mayroong trips to and from One Ayala, Robinsons Galleria, and Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Pero temporarily suspended sila for now. We will also be discussing each of these stops further in the video. But for now, here's how you can ride the Ube Express bus from NAIA papunta sa mga stops na to. Take note that you can only do this from Terminal 3. Specifically, head over to the arrivals area across Bay 12. Doon mo lang mahahanap yung official pickup spot for Ube Express buses. Number 3, NAIA Loop. Bago tayo umalis ng NAIA para makita ang 7 available Ube Express routes, pag-usapan lang muna natin yung NAIA Loop. Lahat ng bus na dumadaan sa mga ruta na nabanggit namin ay iniikot rin ang NAIA Loop pagdating nila sa NAIA. Pero ano ba yung NAIA Loop? Basically, lahat ng Ube Express bus when they get to NAIA, dumadaan sila sa lahat ng NAIA terminals. Except Terminal 4. At nagpipick up and drop off ng passengers throughout the day. Yun nga lang, walang fixed departure time. Within operating hours, yung wait time can range from 30 minutes to an hour to hop on a bus. Ito yung ruta ng NAIA Loop. Ang first stop is Terminal 1. The drop-off point is just past Arrivals Bay B6, right after the Grab booth. Next is Terminal 2, where the bus stops across Arrivals Bay 18. Terminal 4 na dapat yung next pero dahil close ito for renovation, iniskip na muna to ng mga bus and then dumidiretso na lahat sa last stop, which is Terminal 3. Mahanap mo yung bus sa may Arrivals Bay 12. Here are a few things you need to consider kung magna-NAIA Loop kayo. If nasa Terminal 1 or 2 ka at need mong sumakay palabas ng NAIA to the other Ube Express stops, sa NAIA Terminal 3 ka pa makakasakay. Take note rin na iba pa ang NAIA Loop sa free inter-terminal shuttle buses for travelers with connecting flights. The NAIA Loop is open to everybody for a fee of 50 pesos, which we mentioned earlier. And if nasa Terminal 3 ka naman at kailangan mong lumipat to Terminal 1 or 2, you can't do it by riding the UB Express bus from Terminal 3. You need to take a taxi or book a ride through apps like Grab, InDrive, or Joyride. Ngayon, discuss naman natin yung 7 bus stops and their available schedules. The thing with the UB Express is that there are constant changes in terms of availability of routes and yung schedules. Minsan may mga ruta na suspended yung biyahe for the day and minsan nababawasan yung available schedules for a certain route. Yung mga babanggitin namin sa video na to ay from October 2025. Ang tip namin for using the UB Express is to always check their official Facebook page. Very active naman sila dito with updates. You may check the link in the description. Here are the 7 available routes, their bus stop locations, and their available schedules. The Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX is the first land port in the Philippines. Kung galing ka Metro Manila at gusto mong pumunta sa iba pang mga probinsya natin by land, this is our gateway. Mahanap natin yung mga PITX on the southern end of Metro Manila, in Pasay. The good news is, it's now much easier to reach PITX dahil may LRT1 station na rin to na connected na rin sa building. If plano nyo sumakay ng UB Express bus from PITX to NAIA, punta kayo sa Gate 5, Bay 32 on the ground level to purchase tickets. Doon nyo rin makikita yung bus na sasakyan nyo. Ang pamasahe is 150 pesos per person. Ito naman yung available trip schedules for your reference. Victory Liner is one of the top bus lines connecting Metro Manila to provinces up north. Marami silang terminals around Metro Manila. And then from these terminals, pwede kayong pumunta ng Baguio, Olongapo, Iba, Santa Cruz, Dagupan, Lingayen, Santiago, Kawayan, and Tuguegarao. Take note lang na it's Victory Liner's Pasay terminal that makes trips to and from NAIA. Mahahanap niyo yung terminal na to along EDSA. Next to a Shell gas station, lampas lang ng konti sa NAIA Expressway entrance ramp. The nearest EDSA carousel stop is Tramo or TAF. Tapos yung MRT 3 TAF and LRT 1 EDSA TAF ang closest train stations. Pero take note lang na medyo malayo pa rin yung lakad from these stations to the Victory Liner Pasay Terminal. As for the UB Express boarding area, nasa tapat lang siya ng passenger entrance, katabi ng restroom. 150 pesos ang pamasahe per head. The operating schedule of UB Express at the Victory Liner Terminal is from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Robinson's Place Manila, na kilala rin as Robinson's Ermita, is the biggest branch of the mall operator in the country. Kung gusto mong sumakay pa NAIA from here, go to the Midtown Wing along Pedro Hill Street. The UB Express bus picks up passengers right in front of the mall, next to Aria Restaurant or Italianis, na makikita nyo sa screen nyo ngayon. 150 pesos ang fare for this trip. Here are the UB Express bus schedules for your convenience. Araneta City in Cubao, formerly known as Araneta Center, is one of the busiest transport hubs in Metro Manila. Sabi nga nila, Cubao is the center of the universe. And in terms of transportation, totoo naman talaga siya. Meron silang bus terminals, MRT and LRT2 stations, malls, restaurants, condos, at concert venues. Hindi ka mauubusan ng gagawin and ng masasakyan. For the UB Express specifically, ang sakayan na to ay mahahanap sa Araneta City Busport. Nasa ground level to na Manhattan Heights, Tower D, along General Romulo Avenue. Just look for Ali Mall nearby. Ang fare is 200 pesos per person. Here are the bus trip schedules. This route is perfect for tipiters in the south. Malamang sa malamang familiar kayo sa Star Mall Alabang. Iba na ang itsura niya ngayon. The terminal na nga ang tawag sa kanya eh. since it is now an open-air mall that sits beside the Vista Terminal Exchange Alabang or VTX Alabang for short. Tunog nung favorite anime ko noong 90s. If familiar kayo, i-comment nyo below. As a transport hub, VTX Alabang connects people based in Muntinlupa, Las Piñas, Cavite, Laguna to other parts of Metro Manila and provinces, including South Luzon, Bicol, and even as far as Iloilo, Samar, and Davao. May mga jeepneys, modern jeepneys, and buses dito, including the Ube Express. If sasakay ka dito ang pick-up point for the Ube Express. Nasa harap lang siya ng terminal so pwede kang sumakay kahit hindi ka na pumasok sa mismong VTX Alabang. Sakay ka lang and then tsaka na kokolektahin ng konduktor yung pamasahe, which is 200 pesos per head. Check nyo lang yung screen nyo for the trip schedules. Bukod sa Robinsons Manila, meron ding Ube Express buses na bumabiyahe to and from Robinsons Santa Rosa. You'll find it in one of the busiest cities of Laguna, surrounded by subdivisions, schools, and factories. Around 20 to 30 minutes away lang din siya from Enchanted Kingdom. Yung mall itself, mahanap mo siya along the National Highway in Barangay Tagapo, Santa Rosa. Yung boarding area naman for the Ube Express is right at the main entrance driveway. Aside from being a convenient way to travel to the airport, they also have the very first Airport Transport Express Passengers Lounge na free for any Ube Express passengers. Ang fare from this stop is 300 pesos per head. Makikita nyo sa screen nyo yung departure times from Robinsons Santa Rosa. As of this recording of this video, ito ang pinakamalayong Ube Express pickup point and drop-off point so far. Aside from Robinsons Mall, Ube Express has also partnered with Ayala Malls para sa stop na to in Imus, Cavite. You'll find the District Imus right at the corner of Aguinaldo Highway and Anghari Road. If plano nyong sumakay ng Ube Express bus, sakay lang kayo sa harap ng mall, malapit sa UV Express Lane. Ang fare from here to Naiya is 300 pesos per person. Here's the rundown of the bus trips. Now, let's go over some frequently asked questions. Pwede bang magpababa kung may pupuntahan ako na on the way to the official bus stop? Dahil point-to-point system ang Ube Express, it only stops at the designated drop-off pickup points and the Naiya terminals. So, no, hindi siya pwede. On schedule bang umalis ang bus? Not always. Always consider things like weather, traffic, or road conditions that can cause delay. May chance talaga na mag-shift ang departure times. So make sure to allot enough time for travel. Lagi bang available ang lahat ng routes? Routes or trips can change or get cancelled for the day. Make sure lang na lagi kayong nag-check sa FB page ng Ube Express for more info. Daily naman ang updates doon. Gaano ako kaaga dapat pumunta ng airport? If domestic ang flight mo, aim to be there 2 to 3 hours ahead of your departure time. For international flights naman, give yourself 4 to 5 hours. Better to be early and relax kaysa yung nagmamadali ka or even missing your flight. Sana nakatulong tong video na to and marami pa kaming transport videos about Metro Manila na ilalabas. So make sure na nakasubscribe kayo. And let us know din sa comments if meron kayong mga suggestions for places we should visit next. That's all for now. Remember, plan smart, travel safe, and make every trip worth it!